What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Home Depot Fear Valley Wolf. Holy crap, this thing is amazing. I saw this thing on like the drop or like right before it. This thing like snarls, it's really freaking scary and creepy. I'm like, I have to pick this guy up. He's gonna go great with my Mega Wolf that I have. I don't have the Immortal Werewolf from Home Depot, but I do have the Mega Wolf from Party City, which I think is better. And also, yeah, I liked, like I saw this guy that does a lot of inflatable content, but he's been doing a lot more animatronics lately. I think his name's like Inflay. He made this like idea that was like this guy looking at the Immortal Werewolf, and I'm thinking that will look awesome with the Mega Wolf, and maybe even like looking away from it. So definitely have some ideas there. But this guy's just absolutely awesome. I can't wait for this unboxing. So getting right into this, we have one of his feet. It has fur all over it. We also have some like bloodiness over here, like he's been chewed up or something. So that's really cool. Oh my God. Coming out right here, we have his head. Wow. You can see all like the shreddedness over here. This is latex, by the way. This I lights up, I believe. So yeah, his mouth moves, and then his lip, like his, this right here lifts up a little bit to reveal, like, to kind of like snarl, I guess it is. And then there's another eye over here. You can barely see it. But yeah, very nice looking head. We have another foot right here. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Right here, I believe we actually have like the middle frame. I believe it'll go like this. This thing is gonna be a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Right here, we have another foot. I think this has gotta be a back foot. Right here, we have the tail, which feels more like foam. And this also moves. We have the last foot that'll go in the back also. Everything, we have the instructions right here. We have some screws, and it comes with an Allen wrench and the adapter in here. Not a bunch of parts really at all. Does not seem like it's gonna be a hard setup. I am so excited to see this guy set up. So that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now, let's get to the setup. Guys, here is the Fear Valley Wolf. He is absolutely massive, and I just got him all set up. Let's plug him in. My cat's been eyeing this thing the entire time. Just did a little reset with the tail. All right, guys, that was the Fear Valley Wolf from Home Depot 2024. This guy is absolutely amazing. A lot bigger than you expect him to be. He definitely is very tall. Like, to his ears, he's very big. I did have a little bit of trouble getting one of the legs on, specifically the front one, but hopefully you guys won't have that same issue. It's probably just an issue with one of mine. I mean, it's fine now, but it was just very difficult to get in. It took me a while. Other than that, this guy's quality seems great. All of his mechanics seem very good. And also he seems pretty like shielded from the elements, like with all of his fur and all the plastic around him. between all that, I don't see water getting in there and ruining anything. So definitely, I think this guy is outdoor rated. I think they said he was. I know the Trickster Trio was. Not sure about this guy. Let's see. Yep. Oh, it says outdoor covered, but I don't know. I think he'd be fine, but time will tell. This guy retails for $199.99, which I think is a really good price for this guy. I think it's right where it should be. I don't think it's like I don't think it's overpriced at all. I don't think it's, I think it is, I guess it's like a bargain, but it's not like, I don't know. I think it's a great price for him. This guy sold out within minutes, and I can totally see why. And I'm definitely happy that I was able to get this on the Home Depot drop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will leave a link in the description to this guy, and he's probably sold out as of when I'm recording this, but definitely act fast once he does come back in stock, because I do see this thing selling out quick again. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will also leave a link to my merch store. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.